Today I'm going to teach you how to make heatless s'mores. You will need graham crackers, marshmallow fluff, and chocolate. Remember to wash your hands while you're working with food. Let's get started. First, get your graham cracker, break them in half. Second, spread the marshmallow fluff on both sides. Add your chocolate. Put the graham crackers back together. Enjoy, your friends.